In today's video, we are going to show you how to identify the problem, test your display, and try several safe methods that may help fix stock pixels on both IPS and OLED monitors. Before attempting any fixes, it's important to understand the difference. A stock pixel is a pixel that remains fixed on one color, such as red, green, blue, white, or another color. Since the pixel is still receiving power, it can sometimes be restored. Now, a dead pixel is completely inactive and usually appears black. In many cases, dead pixels are caused by hardware failure and may not be repairable through software methods. Now, the first thing that you need to do is confirm the pixel problem. So open a browser and search for a pixel testing websites. There are so many pixel testing websites that is available online. And then many free tools display solid colors such as red, green, blue, white, black. All I have to do is view each color in full screen and inspect the affected area. If the pixel changes color occasionally, it's likely a stock pixel. If it remains black on every color screen, it may be a dead pixel. Now, after configuring the pixel problem, try a pixel refresh tool. For stock pixels, one of the easiest solutions is using a pixel refresh utility. Now, these tools rapidly recycle colors on the affected area to encourage the pixel to function normally again. To use a pixel refresh tool, all you have to do is open the utility in your browser, place the flashing box over the stock pixel, let it run for 10 to 30 minutes, check whether the pixel has recovered. Now, please take note, some stubborn pixels may require several attempts. Now, another option that you can look into is to run your monitor's built-in pixel cleaning feature. Many modern OLED monitors include a built-in maintenance functions. So look for options such as pixel refresh, pixel cleaning, panel refresh, and OLED care. You can usually find these in your monitor's on-screen display menu. Run the process and allow it to complete without interruption. Because this feature is specifically designed to maintain panel health and can sometimes resolve pixel-related issues. And then you might want to try to power cycle the monitor. A simple power reset can occasionally fix temporary display glitches. All I have to do, turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable, wait for at least 1 minute, reconnect the power cable, turn the monitor back on. After restarting, check whether the pixel issue remains. And then, my favorite fix is checking the different devices and cables. This is often overlooked. Sometimes the problem isn't the monitor itself. You can try using a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable, connecting a different PC or laptop, switching monitor inputs, and updating your graphics driver really helps. If the pixel appears only on one device, the issue may be related to your graphics hardware or software settings rather than the monitor panel. Last is you might want to use a gentle pressure method for IPS only. Alright, so for IPS monitors, some users have had success using a very gentle pressure. It's important to do this carefully and at your own risk. Okay, so turn off the monitor, use a soft microfiber cloth, apply very light pressure to the affected area. Turn the monitor back on. Now, never press hard on the screen as this can cause permanent damage. Avoid this method entirely on OLED displays. Now remember, the key is identifying whether the pixel is stuck or truly dead before attempting any fixes. And basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.